In this tutorial, we are building a journey to send Gmail emails for newly received webhook data. Select HTTP as a trigger. Then choose New Request on HTTP link as a trigger event. Provide the webhook name. You will get a webhook link. Go ahead to complete the setup. Now select HTTP method as post. Then we have to add request parameters so our webhook can capture appropriate data. In steps, we have to send email to the user who filled the form. For that, select Gmail. Next, choose Send Email as action. Select an existing connection, then click on Link an account. Enter recipient email address. Using webhook app data, fill the field details. Now go back to Trigger. To set up a webhook, copy the URL, then paste it in our standard HTML form action and save it as HTML file. Then open it using the browser. Whenever we submit the details via this form, webhook will capture the details. Click on Save Changes and Start Journey. Now enter the details and submit the form. Once submitted, go back to our journey to check the journey execution. Yes, it is executed successfully. Soon, user will receive an email with a welcome message. We can see a new email has been received. In this way, we can create an automation journey to send email using Gmail to respondents for newly filled webhook form. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.